Look up at the roofs in your city. Everywhere you go, you see massive solar panels on top of houses, warehouses, and corporate buildings. The world is spending billions on solar energy. But here is the massive, hidden problem that nobody is talking about. They get dirty. Dust, pollen, and bird droppings cover these panels, completely destroying their efficiency. A dirty solar panel can lose up to 30% of its power output, which means the building owner is literally losing money every single day. Welcome to Passive Peak. Today, we're breaking down the ultimate low-overhead, high-profit B2B side hustle for 2026, the solar panel cleaning business. I'm going to show you why you need to ignore residential homes and target massive corporate roofs, the secret pure water tool you need, and the exact pricing math to make over $1,000 a day just by washing glass. Let's shine a light on this gold mine. Most beginners start this business by knocking on doors in wealthy neighborhoods, begging homeowners to let them clean 10 panels for $100. If you want to build a real empire, you need to target B2B commercial clients. When you walk into the facility manager's office, you don't sell a cleaning service. You tell them your dirty panels are costing you thousands of dollars a year in lost energy generation. My service will instantly restore your 30% power loss, meaning this cleaning practically pays for itself. When you pitch it as a financial ROI rather than an expense, corporate bosses will sign an annual recurring contract without hesitation. So, what do you need to start?
The million-dollar secret to this industry is the water-fed pole system. You invest in a basic deionization tank, or DI tank, which strips all the hard minerals out of regular tap water. You connect this pure water to a telescoping carbon fiber pole with a soft bristle brush. Let's do the math and see how this business prints cash. In commercial solar cleaning, you charge per panel. Let's say you land a contract with a medium-sized cold storage warehouse that has a 300-panel array on their flat roof. At a very conservative rate of $5 a panel, that is a $1,500 job. You knock out the entire 300-panel roof in about 5 hours. You walk away with $1,500 before lunch. And because dust never stops falling, you set them up on a quarterly maintenance schedule, guaranteeing you that cash flow 4 times a year. Solar panel cleaning is a massive, rapidly growing industry with incredibly low competition. It is the perfect asset-light service business that you can scale from the trunk of your car to a multi-truck B2B agency. Are you ready to turn sunlight into cold, hard cash? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If this B2B blueprint gave you that entrepreneurial spark, smash that like button and make sure to subscribe to Passive Peak for more high-profit, undercover business models. Stay sharp, and I will see you in the next video.